Sum number 18, lambda equal to minus 2. Determine the value of this determinant. So I need to apply lambda equal to minus 2 here. Apply lambda equal to minus 2. This has become 0. Lambda equal to minus 2 become minus 4. This is becomes 1 only. There is no change here. Lambda equal to minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square is going to become 4. 0 only. This is minus 2. 3 into minus 2 the whole square. Listen carefully. 3 into minus 2 the whole square plus 1. This is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So determinant this become minus 1. 6 into minus 2. Lambda is minus 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Minus 12 minus 1 is nothing but minus 13. This becomes 0. So what is this one? This is nothing but skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. This is skew symmetric matrix. The above matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So how I can find skew symmetric matrix? These diagonals are going to be all going to be 0. This 4 symbol changes. Minus 1 plus 1 symbol changes. Minus 13 plus 13 symbol change. The sign only change. The value remains same. So in sum number 7, seventh sum also we have studied skew symmetric matrix determinant value is going to be 0. The straight answer. You can put skew symmetric. If you want, you can write an answer because of since above determinant is skew symmetric. You don't need to write the answer, word called matrix because the determinant no. So the above determinant is skew symmetric. So answer is going to be our 0. Next 19th sum. So I need to find the roots for this determinant. They given equal to 0. So in this 4 minus 2 is common. I can take outside nothing but common 2 from C2 and here also common 5 from C3. Okay, so 2 is outside, 5 is outside. So 1 1 1. What is common here? 2 becomes 2 minus 1 and x. 2 minus 1 and x. This one is common is 5. No, 5 means nothing but 4 1. This is 1 into x square is x square is equal to 0. So I will write once again here. So if this 10 comes this way, 0 by 10 is nothing but 0. 0 by 10 is nothing but 0. I am going to make some alteration also here. I am going to make this one as 0 and this one as 0. So the expansion will be very easy for us. There is no change in R3. So write R3 as it is. Therefore R1 tends to R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. R1 minus R2. This is plus 3. R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2, this minus become plus, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. So I take 3 outside. Next I am going to change R2. R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. So 1 minus 1 is 0. This is minus 1, this is minus 1. Minus 1 minus x. 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. If we take this one 3 outside, I can take 3 outside also from this. Okay, if I am going to take 3 outside, what has become? 3 will be moved outside. 0, 0, 1, 1, this is also 1, minus 1, minus x, x, 1 minus x square is equal to 0. This 3 moves here, 0 by 3 is 0, totally goes on, become plus, minus and plus. These two I don't need to expand because 0 and 0, if it's going to expand also, 0 multiply with anything going to be 0. So this is 1, open the bracket and going to become minus. If this column and this row I should neglect, 1 into 1 minus x square is nothing but 1 minus x square. I multiply with this nothing but same, but minus 1 minus x, no, minus 1 minus x put in bracket equal to 0. This 3 moves here, 0 by 3 is 0. So what going to answer? 1 minus x square becomes minus 1 becomes plus 1, minus into minus plus x is 0. Arrange it properly. Minus x square plus x plus 1 plus 2 is something plus 2 equals 0. Multiply by minus because minus should not present before x square. Multiply by minus becomes x square minus x minus 2 equals 0. Now I am going to find the roots for this factorization. So becomes this is minus 2 minus 1 x and x 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. I put 2 here plus here. minus into plus minus, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So I can write x minus 2 and x plus 1. X plus 1 equals 0, equate to 0. X minus 2 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, roots are 2 comma minus 1 is the answer. 2 comma minus 1. So on a typical sum in this exercise, the last sum, they given determinant of A. They given determinant of A to find using cofactors of element second row. This elements in second row. Find a determinant of A. How are you going to find C? How are you going to find A? Nothing but same expanding C in R, expanding R2 wise. Expanding in R2 wise. Expanding in R2 wise. That's all. This become plus minus plus 1. This become minus. This become plus. This become minus. So take 2 outside minus. This minus 2. So put minus 2. I forgot to put minus 2. Put minus 2. Minus 2. This is minus 2. Open the bracket minus. This is 0. 0. If I am going to put anything going to be 0. So you don't need to put. This is minus 1. Put minus 1. Open the bracket minus. If I am going to take this minus 2. This, listen, this column and this row will move. We are going to this column and this row comes. 3 3s are 9, 2 8s are 16. Next is 0, don't need 1. For 1, this column and this row will be goes. This column and this row will be goes. 5 2s are 10. 1 into 3 is 3. So minus 2. 9 minus 16 is minus 7, minus 1, 10 minus 3 is 7, minus into minus plus, 2 7s are 14, this is minus 7, 14 minus 7 is nothing but 7. This is a very easy only. Expanding using cofactors. If you want what is my cofactor, I will teach you what is my cofactor. Cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2 is simple only. What I have done here, cofactor 2, because of minus 1 I put minus, I put determinant. Cofactor of minus 2 is nothing but this one, 3 8 2 3. What 3 3s are 9, 8 2s are 16. That one I used here. If you want to find cofactor of 0 plus, open the bracket, 0 is nothing but 5 8 0. This one 5 8 1 3. 5 8 1 3. Even though the 0 is present, 0 multiple anything is going to be 0. If you want find cofactor of 1 is nothing but minus, because plus minus plus, no, put minus. Cofactor of 1 is nothing but 5 3 1 2. 5 3 1 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 into 3 is 3. This one just I written the cofactor, that's all. But you can stop the sum here itself. Just I find the cofactor and told how we can find the cofactor. So within this, we are finishing the exercise 7.2. Thank you.